Now, how can you use the iPad writing in your YouTube videos? So if you are new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe right now as you don't want to miss videos like this one. So at first, just start your screen recording as usual, then go to your notes or other app where you want to draw something, right? So just make sure you capture it, just stop the screen recording and have it saved in your gallery. At first, I would recommend you to just crop the video to not include like the other parts, like, the other apps or like date and time, and just only get the juicy part, right? Like the important stuff to be in the frame. So once you have that, you can move over into a video editor. Like you can use LumaFusion or Final Cut, but I personally just prefer the CapCut, which is free for the most part, and it has plenty of different features. So essentially, you can use the CapCut to edit your videos and work with the clips as much as you like, but you can add the screen recording of your writing into the project, select the clip and click on overlay to make it over or just go above your other clips. Then keep the clip selected and click on the remove background option and choose the chroma key option right there. This will let you select the color which is supposed to disappear. In our case, it's gonna be the white background which we want to remove, right? And once we do that, we essentially end up with a video which has no background, just the text written on the iPad. And this can be layered on top of other clips, as you can see right here. And you can do whatever you need with this. Like you can make it smaller, you can position it anywhere in your video, like you can apply effects or filters to it. So as you can see, it's very versatile and it just really can enhance your videos to great level. So that would be about it from me. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for the next tips and videos like this one, and I will see you later in the next tutorials.